Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use a Visa gift card on PayPal. So here's the simple and correct way to use or redeem a Visa gift card in PayPal. So first, is we have to understand this clearly that you do not redeem a Visa gift card on PayPal like promo code. So what you do is to add the Visa gift card as payment method, then use it to pay through PayPal. So first is you just have to log in to our PayPal account using web browser or your, mobile device. Okay. And then after that, you just have to tap on this pay and get paid. So it will depend of what kind of device you are using. So since I'm using my laptop, so I'm using the web browser. Okay, and then just go to the bank and your cards. That's right. And then right here, just going to link a card. So here, what we are going to do is to simply enter the Visa gift card details exactly as shown. So, of course, the card number, the card type, the expiration date of your gift card, and the security code. After that, you just have to simply tap on the link card option. So after that, um, just have to save the card. So PayPal may do a small temporary charge like 50 pesos or $1 to check if the card works. So this amount is usually refunded automatically. Then once the card is linked, you just have to use it to pay. So choose PayPal, check that on the website, select the Visa gift card as your payment method, and then you just have to confirm your payment. And important things to remember, you cannot transfer the Visa gift card money to PayPal balance and you cannot withdraw it as cash. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.